So our business has been, I mean, there was a lockdown, as we all know, around March 24th, 25th. The factories were closed, our retails were closed, and worldwide also, globally, the cities were closing. But we have come out of an lockdown like around first week of May. The factories have started. We're running at about 40% capacity. Even as the country-wise, the lockdowns are opening up, we are seeing the demand coming up slowly, steadily. All my retail stores have safely opened with the complete COVID instructions, safety instructions as of last week. Domestic also, many cities are opening up. So I think the worst is over. Definitely the worst is over. But business is at one third capacities. And going forward, if we don't get another wave or a major setback, I see the business coming back like maybe 5 to 7% every month. And in the next 12 to 14 months, we should be back at the original levels. The demand is a challenge at the moment, but even supply, people need good suppliers. Yeah, even the supply chain has to be very strong. My customers all over the world, in India, everybody is very positive that when we are back, we'll be back stronger for sure. So I see that we have to have a lot of patience, take care of our workforce, where, I mean, their safety, their priority, they are our true assets, and ensure that, we all come out of it patiently and strongly. Definitely, I mean, our offices are still work from home. We don't want people to come in. Even in the factories, we are not getting in too many people, only the ones who are really required, and watching them. All the safety precautions, sanitization we are doing. We have even distributed free bicycles for them that they can come by safely from near houses. And I mean, we are not taking in as many people for sure. And the three C's, basically, the crowd gathering, the closed rooms, no meetings, the distancing, virtual meetings, that definitely we're doing all of that and much more. Yeah. My projections are, I mean, I think this year's sales would be anywhere between 50 to 60, 65%. It is going to take time to get to normality. There is going to be a drop in demand. The countries which have come out of the COVID faster lockdowns, they will bounce back faster. But overall, business is going to be down safely by 30, 35% this financial year. But then eventually, next year onwards, when things resume, I think we'll be able to cover up most of the ground. So my team is aggressively working on this air purifying curtains, since we are one of the largest in the curtain industry. So we are using some German technology to ensure that our new collections all have this. They are chemically treated for these air purifying, antimicrobial, antiviral, odorless. So we are all working on the performance fabrics very aggressively, which we were also doing before. But now I think it's a need of the hour. So most of my domestic collections are going to see all this inherent in it. Yeah. And on the sales side, I would say we are looking at more digital presentations to the architects, to our customers, B2B, as much as less physical interaction we can have. But fabric eventually is a touch and feel business. The stores are taking in, I mean, they've opened, they're doing by appointment so that it's not too much of a crowd at any time. They're getting a good response for sure. One thing I've clearly, got the brief is that people are really thinking home is a very important space. They want to, I'm sure when all of this is over, they're going to give much more importance to the home, and not just for just sleeping and going to work the next day. It's like a secure central place. Yeah. So we see the demand coming up definitely next year quite well. People are going to invest more in decoration and improving their homes. I think the January Heimtex, we should be positively back. My hopes are personally not so much on a vaccine. First, we need the drug. which will give us a clear direction, and the medical load on the hospitals and all get released, and people are more comfortable that this is a medicine and they will get cured. Vaccine could take a long time, maybe 2 years, but next year, January, I hope, Heimtex, we all should be there. Proposte could be a bit early. Maybe Proposte has already told us they are going to exhibit in September. But I'm not sure if our customers from the globe would like to travel so early. But January for sure.